Welcome to the Controlled Environment Agriculture Research Complex at Waterman Agriculture and Natural Resources Laboratory. This state-of-the-art research greenhouse positions OSU to be a global leader in the way we engage controlled environment agriculture in the future. One of the things I love to put into classrooms is tomatoes, because tomatoes would normally be in harvest during the summer when the kiddos are not in school. But if I use hydroponics, we can plant tomatoes in January and they can start harvesting those tomatoes in their classroom in April and in May, and then they can turn those into food product to not only learn how to plant, but learn where their food comes from to get that full circle agricultural engagement. Then we capacity build as they go through middle and high school to eventually see if they would like to do this as a career. Tomatoes, I find, are a powerful ally in the classroom for me, and using controlled environment agriculture and hydroponics in the classroom, I can have kiddos enjoying a summer crop that they normally would not be able to grow at school inside their classroom during the spring.